Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In today's video, we are going to make a short review on Click Calligraphy pen set. And this is a Devanagari script one. And with this transparent sheet itself, you can find the inner nib size and the color of the pen and the cartridges here. And for better view, you can check in the backside content itself. Here there is the nib size were given and the cartridges which are inside the box is given. And let me take this out. Yeah, this one is a blue color plastic finished one, and here I'm taking this. Yeah, this is looking so good. And in the trim set, the brand's name Click was engraved here, and this is in silver color, and this is very good grip finish. You can hold this here, this gives a very good grip. And this is number 1 nib, and this is number 2, 3 and 4 nibs. The width size also you can find here. These are the Stokes width size, where you the same size where the nib is. And there are 3 cartridges which is in blue ink, and there is also a converter inside this pen. We have seen in the content itself a long thread. You can apply silicone grease or a Vaseline over this thread portion. Yeah, there's a converter here. The ink filling system here is you have to push this up and dip in the ink and pull this back. This is a so simple process. And or else you can use cartridges also. Yeah, then if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us in WhatsApp. We are there to respond you at any time. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.